The Bible tells us to love our neighbors. For Living in Faith, that has been Cuba and Haiti. Based in Tampa, Florida, we are only 300 miles from Havana, Cuba. Tampa is closer to Havana than it is to Atlanta. Haiti is immediately to the east of Cuba, and it is easy to have breakfast in Tampa and lunch in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. Since 1995, Living in Faith has been ministering in Cuba, and we began working in Haiti in the year 2000. The ministry of Living in Faith is threefold. First is that of providing eye care, second in providing clean water as an evangelistic tool, and third is that of enriching family values through the Ancient Path seminars, plus ministering through the Jesus video. In Cuba, we began providing new eyeglasses for persons in the church because in many cases in Cuba, glasses were not affordable for many people. When a pastor makes $10 a month, glasses are a luxury. Many times the lenses are not available even if the Cuban could pay for it. The Cubans have access to eye doctors and can be measured for glasses. We receive the prescriptions in Tampa and make new glasses for the patient. The glasses give a new life for many. Throughout Cuba, drinking water is often contaminated with bacteria, which causes gastrointestinal diseases. This results in vomiting and diarrhea in young children and older adults. Many of us Americans can relate to this if you've ever experienced Montezuma's revenge after visiting Mexico or other such places. Living in Faith developed a water purification system which filters out these disease-causing bacteria. The system is compact enough to carry into Cuba in a suitcase. These systems are installed in churches and church camps throughout Cuba. The church then uses this as an evangelistic tool to reach out to their neighbors. Testimonies are told of how a record number of children come to Vacation Bible School because they came to the church for clean water. Adults are attracted to churches as they look for clean waters for their family members. Persons with kidney diseases are healed, and children are no longer sick and missing school, and the churches are ministering to their communities. At each location, we deliver a case of Bibles to the church. These are so welcomed as the churches are growing, and these Bibles are a great blessing to these new believers. These water systems have been taken to Haiti, where they are installed in churches. Similar testimonies are heard from Haitians. This is especially true after the earthquake in 2010 and the subsequent outbreak of cholera. Our water systems save lives and bring about better physical health and brings about an opportunity for better spiritual health. This is why we often refer to this as the Woman at the Well project. Our eye care in Haiti is a little different than in Cuba. In Haiti, there are very few doctors who do the exams necessary to determine eyeglass prescription. Living in Faith has established 3 eye clinics to give basic exams. Our principal clinic is equipped to refract for glasses and give complete eye exams. In this clinic, we evaluate and treat eye diseases. About 25% of our patients have high-tension glaucoma, and an unknown percent have low-tension glaucoma. We have one great favor with the Haitian Ophthalmic Society because of our aggressive approach to seek out and treat glaucoma. In addition, we are able to conduct surgery by bringing eye surgeons from the United States to do cataract surgery on both children and adults. The doctors find great value in giving the little children a new life by giving them new sight. Haitian staff are trained as technicians, and medical school residents are invited to join us to learn the eye care procedures. Our clinic is recognized as one of the best eye clinics in Haiti. Not only do we have air-conditioned facilities, but we are blessed to have modern equipment for exams and surgery. Our staff is trained to give the patients a very good experience. So often, patients tell us how they feel the presence of the Lord at our clinic. After surgery, both patients and family members give thanks to God for their new vision. The Living in Faith evangelistic program includes the ministry of Word and Vision, in which our staff shows the Jesus video in villages and connect to those who receive salvation with the local churches. This group is also with us as we do surgery and ministers to the patients. Our Ancient Path seminars are used to teach family values and has been a blessing to many. One notable fact is that in 2003, Living in Faith was the first to send a private ship legally from the United States to Cuba in 42 years. We sailed into Havana Harbor flying the Cuban flag, the United States flag, and the Christian flag. This was repeated in 2004. In Haiti, Living in Faith was recognized at the National Palace for our relief work after the flooding in Gonaïves in 2004. More recently, in a survey of eye care facilities by the Minister of Health, they said our facility is the best they have seen. Funding for our work comes through individuals, churches, and companies who understand the commandment to love our neighbors.